Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing 454. I'm currently out here and I don't see anybody. I don't know what's going on. All I see was a bass right here next to me, but nobody is here at this ramp currently. I just saw one car on the way over here. But today I'm going to be fishing the spot where I went bank fishing a few videos ago. I'm going to be trying to kayak there. It's about 3 miles or so. So hopefully I can make it and we'll see if we can make that happen. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have not made it to the first spot yet, but I made it to this edge and I'm going to be fishing top water until the end of the cut. I don't know if there's any fish here though. I've never fished in this area, so I'm going to see if I can catch some fish here. Looks pretty good, to be honest. Alright guys, so the cove that I want to fish should be around this corner. Oh, I'm seeing a fish bust over there. Go ahead and cast there. It should be around this corner and it shouldn't be too far. That fish busted twice and he has it. There we go guys. First fish of the day, not even to the spot yet. I saw this fish bust twice. I don't even see him. I don't know how big he is. He feels small. Doesn't feel like a big fish, probably about a pound. Tiny fish, guys. There we go guys, first fish of the day. That would not have been good. There you go guys, first fish of the day. Not a giant, I'm not complaining. I caught a first fish of the day. Cast it in there where he blew up and I got this little guy. So go ahead and let him go. There he goes. Now we have to get to the spot. I'm not even at the spot yet, but let's keep moving. Alright guys, so I've made it to the first spot where there's not that many waves. I'm gonna be fishing some topwater here first. So hopefully this spot is worth it guys. Last time I came back fishing closer to the area and I caught 3 fish. So hopefully you can land one guys. Oh my god guys, that scared the crap out of me. It's a little fish, not a bad one guys. A few casts in. I don't know why that scared me so much. I shouldn't be expecting it. Oh yeah, he wanted that thing. As much as I love topwater fishing, I don't like these trebles. But hey, it's a part of fishing. Topwater fishing never gets old. Here we go guys, second fish of the day, not a bad one. About a pound, not too bad guys. Go ahead and let him go. There he goes. See if we can catch more. Alright guys, so considering that I've already caught 2 fish, I've made it to the main area. I'm going to be fishing with a trench hog. Bigger presentation equals bigger fish or more aggressive fish. So I'm going to be fishing with this and try to catch some big fish guys. This area looks perfect for it. Some deep drop-offs. See if I can get any bites on this thing. I have a fish guys. Oh my god, that's a big one. That's either a smallmouth or a big fish. Yep, it's fighting so weird. I think it's a big fish or a smallmouth, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's a nice fish guys. Come on buddy. There we go guys. Third fish of the day. I knew there'd be some nice fish here guys. I mean, not a big fish, but wow, aggressive, nice fish guys. Good third fish of the day guys. Not a bad fish, about a 2-pounder. Wow, nice fish. Go ahead and let him go. Here he goes. See if we can catch more fish like that guys. All right guys, there could be a fish right here in this crack. Pretty, ooh, perfect cast guys. And I just got thumped, of course. I'm getting thumped. I don't know if it's a big fish or not. Does he have it? I think he has it guys. There we go guys. Third fish of the day. Small fish. Wow. Little guy. These are not the fish I'm after guys, but I'll take it. There we go guys. Fourth fish of the day. Chubby little guy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, there he goes. Fourth fish of the day, not a bad fish guys. Pretty good day guys. Time check is currently 8:25. This bait's getting it done. 4 fish in total at 8 in the morning. It's pretty good if you ask me. So far we've landed some pretty decent fish. Ooh, did I just get a bite? Not sure. Yep, that's another fish guys. Are you serious? It's another small fish, I think. gonna be a nice one. Oh, that's a nice fish, guys. Just soaking me. Soaked me. Absolutely soaked me, guys. Holy crap. He was not ready for the net. Alright, I kind of gut hooked him. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of surgery. Such an aggressive fish, guys. This spot's pretty good. Alright, guys, there we go. The hook is out. Not a bad fish. About a 2.5 pounder. Wow, guys. Soaked the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Kind of gut hooked him, but he should be good now. Go ahead and let it go. Swam off just fine. Perfect, guys. Wow, guys, we've caught some nice fish so far. Fish number 5, I believe. Kind of gut hooked that fish, but she'll be fine. Swam off just perfectly fine. All right, guys, this is the furthest I'm gonna go. I was bank fishing here, but on the other side, and I saw this cliff, and I was like, there's probably some big fish here. So I'm gonna fish this cliff. Did I get a bite? Oh, I had a fish on, guys. That felt like a nice one. Anyway, we'll see if we can land one fish here on this edge, guys. All right, guys, I made it to the end. I already fished the edge I was gonna fish. I got probably one bite. This is my last cast that I'm gonna do here, and then I'm gonna head back. Not a bad day, guys. Caught 5 fish in total. I was trying to go after those bigger fish, and I did catch some nice fish and some aggressive fish, guys. So I'm gonna head back to the ramp. I don't know how windy it is. Hopefully I get back there safely. We'll find out soon. See you at the truck. All right, everybody, I made it back to the truck successfully, safely. Luckily, I made it back. In total today, I caught 5 fish. Not a bad day at all. It was a pretty good day. Is it worth kayaking 3.5 miles to that spot? It was all right. You know, it wasn't bad. If you're on a boat, definitely check that spot out. It was pretty good, and it was decent. Some nice drop-offs, some nice structure for you to fish. There was some pretty good structure around the area. Not a bad spot at all. That is going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Comment on any ideas you might have for any videos. I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.